Hello everybody, I created a little Skool Bingochart to see where you should focus on building your Skool community. It's not based on my own experience, but I'm just reading a lot of stuff that people are posting in the Skool games, and this interests me, and I kind of save everything in my brain, and I write also a lot of stuff down. So don't take it from me, take it from creators within the Skool games community. Building a community requires a lot of work, but I'm hoping to create a little graph that can help you. It can help you to keep focused on what you should focus on. So you start from 0, right? So if we have this graph, you start here and you want to end up here, because here is Vegas. Because if you have if you win the Skool games, you fly to Vegas and you meet Alex Hormozi, Sam Ovens. One thing that Alex Hormozi says is that earning your first dollar online is more difficult than earning your first $1,000 online. On the I-axis, I would like to put 3 domains which you should focus on building your Skool community. You start with the word community, and then another thing you should focus on is education, and the third is marketing. On the axis, I would like to write volume, quality, and automation. This is the goal, right? You can start literally without any education. If they think your personality is interesting, or your history is interesting, or your experience is interesting, they will join your community for free, which is great. I didn't realize I could enter text here. Okay, engagement, right? That's where we start. Education and volume. What you do is you just create something that is potentially interesting for someone. So you create, and you don't do that with any limit. Your ideas are unique and you document them. It's very important. Okay, next is marketing and volume. And what you're gonna do there is send emails and put people in blind copy. Yeah, BCC. So you create one newsletter, just very simple, or you just tell people, hey, how are you? I'm creating this community, and this is how you fill your community also. So what do we do next? Community quality. How do you improve the quality of the community? By removing members. Let's call this phase 2, by the way, and let's call this phase 3. How do we improve the quality of the education? You ask for feedback, you remove and improve. How do we improve the quality of our marketing? You start paying for a CRM, or there are plenty of free plans also, I think. Yeah, I think that's completely free actually. So with every step you do, you increase the quality of your community also. Community automation. You can automate your community growth by guiding your members through your community by using forms and Zapier. How to automate your education? It's very simple. You hire experts. And how do you automate your marketing? Well, that is maybe the most difficult of all. It is called advertising. So the idea is you start here, and the next thing you should focus on should at least be connected with one of the lines. You cannot go diagonal, you just go horizontally or vertically. When you start at engage, you can choose to remove inactive members, but I would advise you to start doing that from 200 members, not below that. Below that, you still have a lot of chance of winning your existing inactive members. It's not based on my own experience, but I'm just reading a lot of stuff that people are posting in the Skool games, and this interests me, and I kind of save everything in my brain, and I write also a lot of stuff down. So don't take it from me, take it from creators within the school games community. Next thing you can do, so basically the next thing you are being pushed to is create education. It doesn't matter if you're an expert or not. If you are, you can just document your journey, or you can curate existing material on the internet and present that to people who need that. Next thing you can do is going to the right or going up. It doesn't matter. You can remove and increase, but you need this engagement to remove and increase. It's absolutely essential. I would recommend sending emails with the courses that you're creating to get started. Let me know if this helps you, and I would love to answer any questions you might have. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Put on the notification bell if you want, because I'm planning to make more videos about creating a school community. I'm creating my own school community about learning the piano, the most easy way to learn how to play the piano. If you want to take a look into that community, you can press the link in my description. Yeah, that's it for today, and I hope to see you in the next one, because it's gonna be very cool also. Yeah, let me know what you think, and see you next time.